Hi guys, welcome back to Garrett Clay's Life Channel. Now today, I'm going to talk about plants and I'm outside my house. And this is a special video. You guys can't wait to see this one. This is going to be a fun one. Now, first up, you can see here, a little cute little grasshopper here. He started before I made a video. We catched him. I think he wants to be on film. A little grasshopper. And today, I'm going to show you about environments like this one. Now, these are all types of flowers, but don't ask me what types they are. And then, you know what's sad? Before I used to have sunflowers. You guys are probably looking for them, but they died. It's really sad. Rest in peace, sunflowers. But yeah, let me show you this garden. Now, look at this beautiful garden. First up, let me show you this flower. Now, let me tell you why gardens are important. Because it helps pollination, and like I said, with bees, and it makes fruits and vegetables grow, and it helps more life. Because plants plus plants equals life. That's not even real math. But yeah, look at this beautiful flower. You can see it's actually...
Who planted this garden, Garrett?
Me.
Wow.
That's my mom.
What did it take to plant this garden?
It took like a year. Then now my little children, everyone. And then look at this other beautiful flower. It's almost the same, but the opposite of color. And then look at this palm tree.
Don't you think we should pull all these weeds out? Aren't they weeds? Because they look dead.
No, but did you know that flowers who are dead or other plants are not even considered weeds? Now let me show you a weed. This is a weed. And let me show you another type of weed. This is a weed. Oh, no, not that one. This one or that one. And they all look the same. And then let me show you.
Where do spiders live?
Spiders live in almost everywhere, but everywhere that has life and plants. And then we show you another type of flower where animals can live. Right here. It's nice.
Oh, wow.
Flower.
So what do you need to do to keep your flowers healthy?
Water them, feed them with sunlight. Make sure they get a lot of sunlight, but not too much. And most of all, protect them from pesky little animals who want to eat them. Because you don't want your babies getting eaten. Let me show you one last flower. Right here.
Wow.
This is really beautiful. Let me show you my oh yeah, there's one last one. Sorry, guys. This one. It's a nice one, isn't it? And then let me show you other flowers. Follow me, and I'll show you.
Where are you taking us?
We're taking you to the backyard. Now, first, we have these big plants right here, the big boys. And then we have these. Now, bees love these plants. Do we get, married to them? And look at this tall guy. This is a tall one. I think he wants to be a tree when he's older. And then follow me. Let me see more. These guys are big. Now, let me introduce you to my beautiful garden. It's windy. My beautiful, well, not really mine, but, and then look at this. I planted this thing.
Oh, wow.
One day they died, but now I revenged it. It's alive. It's alive. And look at these. These guys are pretty good. And look at this big boy. Look at him. He thinks he's so cool, but then he palm tree lily trees. Look at them. And then look, I thought I saw a lizard earlier. Let me see. Can I find you? I guess I can't find, but let's find other animals. Since this is Garrett Clay's Life Channel, follow me. Where are some animals? Well, you see here, you see some other plants. These are big ones. Let me show you another one. This guy. And then look at this guy.
Why do you like plants so much? Why are they beautiful?
Because they create life and they help a lot. They make lots of air. But you know what's sad? The Amazon is on fire right now. So please try your best to help out. Okay, guys? And please subscribe if you remember. And don't worry, this video's not over. It literally just started. Now let me show you the rest. Now this nice garden.
Wow, Garrett, it's beautiful.
I know. So beautiful. That's what I love about plants. Everyone has a part of being beautiful. Now, bye. Say plants. Say goodbye.